This is how you can delete a Google account on your Android phone. You have to place on the app, go to the profile, manage accounts on this device. Then here you will place on the Google account you want to delete. Then here Google account, info, security and personalization, you place there. Then here on this search bar you will have to type delete. Here you have to choose one of these. Delete your Google account. Then you scroll down. Yes, I want to permanently delete this Google account and all its data. You select the first part and the second part. Then you press delete. We have already deleted the account because here they are saying your Google account and all its data have been deleted. Thanks for watching.